Hello everyone, Habib here. This will be a short video about how to reset WordPress password. Here is my password. Here is my WordPress website. Let me log out. And in case I forgot my password like this, how to reset it without without using this feature. For example, we don't want to use our email address to get new password. We can try is to reset it from phpMyAdmin, from the database. We can manage replace the new value of password. So to reset this password from phpMyAdmin, let's go to phpMyAdmin. In my case, I will go to phpMyAdmin on my localhost. Then we need to find the database table of this WordPress website. My WordPress installation is here inside this my database. This is my database. Then the prefix of my website installation, you can see it here. Let me show you. It is my installation files of WordPress. I'm going to find out what is the prefix of my website. I will open this wp config. This one is the prefix. So in case you have multiple websites, you can find out what is your prefix here. And here is the prefix that I have. Then I need to go to options. This one. No, not options. The users. Open this one. There is one user here, which is admin. The password of this user is this one, but you cannot use this password because it is encrypted password from a regular text, so you cannot paste it here. Instead, we can reset it by by opening something called WordPress hash generator. Open one of the results, for example this one. Here, let's create a new password. I'm going to create a new password. I will set a password, new password 123, and I click generate hash. After we got this hash, we need to copy this value and paste it here. Edit this field and paste it here, and then it is saved. So our new password will be this. Let's enter it here and click login. Done. We have already reset the password for our WordPress website. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time on my next videos. Bye bye.